It's a line that's making headlines. Straight from the FBI Director Nominee's bio until he took it down. A CNN K-File investigation of attorney Christopher Wray's bio page revealed this detail. An energy company president in a criminal investigation by Russian authorities. A company Trump's nominee represented at one time, but if you read the website now, you would never know. That's because after the line was there for several years, Wray removed it in January. A spokesperson from Wray's law firm King & Spalding says the change was made to make the material more current, adding at that time he was not being considered for and did not anticipate being nominated for FBI director or any position in government. The spokesperson also said Wray's client was an American citizen and lives in the U.S. and said the case was brought about because the Russian government sought to exert leverage against this executive and the company by initiating a criminal investigation in Russia against him.